Okay, welcome back. We are going to go through the thought process and analysis for a buy and hold scenario. Okay, so you should be going to buyandholdcalculator.com, all one word. I will put the link down below so you can use this. You should be using something like this. We provide this to you for free, but you should be doing something in your analysis before you get under contract on a property. All right, so when you get to the website, a lot of you are doing Brrrr investments. So you are buying a property that needs rehab. So we can, we get a bunch of scenarios every day, and so I'm just going to put an example scenario in to illustrate the points I want to illustrate for this video. Let's say this is just a simple, nope. And let's just say we give 70 ARV, whatever, right? Actually, we probably wouldn't do that because we would probably do like one. Let's do math here. Math with a calculator this morning. So let's say we're all in for 160 and we'll lend 90% purchase, 100% rehab, so minus 12K. So let's say our loan amount was $147,500. Okay. I don't know, $2,000, 2 points. This is just a cost. Okay, so that is what our front end cost, expenditure, and financing looks like. Okay, this just gives you the analysis of what you're going to do here. So this is good, right? Like you want to analyze these numbers and say like, okay, I'm going to have to put 26 grand into the total deal. I'm going to appreciate the property, and then this is my ROI on the project, meaning you're going to pull that much, 188%, meaning like 1.8 times your money, which is good, right? Okay, so let's say we want to keep it and pull our money back out. So generally speaking, we can offer refinance scenarios at 75 to 80% of the purchase. Obviously, there's stipulations and guidelines with that, but we'll just use 75 for examples here. So I'm going to use the 1% rule. You need to underwrite whatever your monthly income is going to be before you get into the property, even if you plan to flip it, because the market right now is very unpredictable. I'm going to put placeholder numbers in here just because. Let's put 7.5, 30 years. So now what you look at here is the back end numbers. Again, we've been in this conversation for 3 minutes, and we know if the deal is going to be profitable and if it's going to be a good rental. Obviously, you have to go pull rental comps before you do this, but you can do that in a couple minutes with Zillow or any of the rent softwares that are out there these days. We have a software that does that for you. You can just go to DSCRanalyzer.com and use that software that pulls rental comps, AirDNA comps, all that stuff. I can put a link for that too. Again, it's not you shouldn't be using our tools as a substitute for all of your underwriting, but they're at least like good guides. But this tells you, okay, this looks like a good deal. So would you do it? I don't know. That's up to you. But you should be. The whole point of this was to just go through the underwriting process. Now, one of the things you should make sure is let's say that the ARV was much lower. And I just want to illustrate something here. So one of the things we output is the break-even period. That means for you to get all of your money back for that deal to actually, to get all of your cash invested back. Because in the scenario we had, we're going to be leaving 28 grand in the deal. So your break-even period based on your cash flow is going to be 30 months. So what you also need to underwrite is like, if this is a short-term thing, 5-10 years for you or less, you need to also be aware of that when you're going to actually break even, because a lot of people just drop the costs off and they just look at the purchase price, rehab, ARV. They don't look at taxes. They don't look at any of that stuff. And those are all valid expenditures in your deal. So make sure you give a holistic look. Whatever spreadsheet, whatever you're using, you can use this. It's free. It's instantaneous. I mean, buyandholdcalculator.com. use a tool that gives you these metrics so you can actually determine if you're profitable and when you break even, if you still have cash in the deal. If you want a financing scenario quote, or you just want to talk about stuff, just click this button, Get Investment Property Financing. It'll take you to the right pages, and then we can get on the phone and discuss. Until next time, see ya.